That's going to be close.
Jerry Carter!
Woo!
Jerry!
That is nice.
He won't turn around.
That could be the one we heard a rumor about.
Ooh. So you always have one coming up.
Whoa.
What are they doing putting that one on the dock, man? That's That's a nice fish.
Whoa. As you can tell, we got a good one coming up.
I think Russell's in trouble.
Dang.
They're saying they got the lead fish here, folks.
Yeah.
We'll get to see in a few minutes.
This is interesting.
That is a very
I
good
thought
one.
Russell was going to hold today.
Is a very good one.
Day one, but
In kingfishing terms, that's what we call a stud puppy.
whew,
That is a nice stud puppy.
said there's that is a nice fish. Nice fish. Woo!
Gene O'Neill from Maxville on the O'Neill's Escapes, sponsored by Smith Brothers Plastering Company. Pulled up. Behind them, looks like a live wire, boat 194. George Rice from Jacksonville, Florida.
Just waiting for the results. 1280. A little dink before them.
All right, we're getting ready for the big way down. Let's see what happens.
Yep.
Mark Drukas out of Jacksonville, Florida.
That's a long, fat fish. Not as big a head as Russell.
All right, folks, here goes the big fish laying on there. 45 and change is the leader. Let's see what we get.
Let's see here. Let me check the leaderboard here, the weigh-in. And here it comes.
We got to clear it.
Let's see. Coming from Ocean Wave Sunglasses, the world's best.
Silence is
Here at
deafening.
the Greater Jacksonville Kingfish Tournament. Day one. 30th annual. Takes time.
Boat number 482. Jerry Carter is the boat that's on the scale right now.
The scale.
Okay, we got
There it is. There it is. Here comes the weight.
42.3. 42.3. I believe that's second place.
Russell still.
Great fish. Great fish there, folks.
Really nice fish. Look fatter, just wasn't quite as big
we
a
don't
head
have
as
any
Russell.
information on, but he's got a fat dog coming up here too. Not quite as big, but a very nice fish, Cap. Hold it a minute. We might have to recalculate that. That's a strong man there. Because I can tell you that's a fat fish. 412 came up.
Yeah, these last few boats always have good fish.
Christopher Rooney from Jacksonville. Chris Rooney on the Drifting and Dreaming. There you go, Chris. Joel Peck from Jacksonville on the Little Papa. Sponsored by a Sand Dollar Restaurant. Pulling up. Got him a fish to keep him in the hunt tomorrow? No. 262 is popping up to the dock. Wow, 42.3. That's a nice fish.
Really nice.
David Bennett from Jacksonville on the Twin Horses. Sponsored by Christians on the River.
There's the kids division. Yep, the kids fished on Tuesday. Mikey's little girl Alyssa got 50th.
Nice
Long
fish.
Lake from Jacksonville, Florida.
50th place.
On
Yep.
the High Bend Rod.
Not quite
Betty
40.
Witt today talks about Betty Layton and Dave DeWitt.
Let's check out the Salt Life boat
Travis got
after we see this weight.
71st and Austin got like 86th place. Yeah, those are both James.
2240. Oh, way off on estimate. Excuse me.
Sam Holmes from Callahan on the Be Ready from Lighthouse Windows is a sponsor.
42. I thought it was
That's
bigger
just like,
because of
why
the
is it
head.
so quiet?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna let you hear it. I'm just gonna hold the phone up and let you hear it.
You tell them you're hanging here with me?
No.
Oh, just tell them. We're good friends. All right, don't miss the salt lifeboat.
The Lazy Susan's pulling up the dock. Scotty Green from Jacksonville, Florida.